Artoonza.
Hello, flower superstars and glitter painters. Ready to draw a pretty flower for kids that begins with a simple circle and turns into a beautiful rose with 9 colors? We're adding glitter, glitter polish, and acrylic paint today because plain petals apparently refuse to be interesting. Grab your brushes, your cheerful little hands, and your biggest imagination, because this sweet, sparkly flower is about to bloom, shine, and make your paper look extra lovely today.
Aww, so cute.
Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ladies and gentlemen, the paint dropper has entered the chat. 8 tiny color drops, 1 per petal. Red, light blue, purple, brown, light green, orange, yellow, and pink. Because this flower demanded every color at the party. No petal left plain, no drop left behind. Every single one is a VIP. Give us a big thumbs up. Now the silver glitter polish crowns the center. This tiny circle is basically the flower's queen, and she is not skipping on sparkle. The whole petal crew bows down. Red petal, you're first. Bold, bright, 0 apologies. Walked in screaming, I am the main character. And honestly, same. We stand. Brown petal sneaks in quietly like it's trying not to be noticed. Surprise! Brown is secretly the chicest one here. Rich, warm, and chocolate gorgeous. Never sleep on brown.
Aww, so cute.
Pink petal floats in like it owns the whole flower. Sweet, soft, and dangerously adorable. Pink didn't ask for permission. It just arrived and made everything cuter. Orange petal, the energetic one. Loud, warm, and 0 chill. This petal showed up already doing the cha-cha. Absolutely iconic. Light green petal, fresh as a garden morning. Arrived smelling like rain with full nature energy. Calm, fresh, and quietly gorgeous. Smash that like button now. This petal just made the flower classy. Light blue petal, cool and dreamy. Floated in like a cloud that decided to be a flower. Soft, peaceful, and a little too pretty for its own good. Purple petal, royalty has arrived. Walked in with an invisible crown and refused to be anything less than absolutely magnificent.
Aww, so cute.
Yellow petal, the grand finale, sunny bright, saving the best for last. Fashionably late and absolutely nailing it. Flower complete.
Wow!
Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.